Well, we've got dinner, which is some sausage. Ooh, I can smell it to me. It's like curried sausage. I think my mum bought this when she was here in October. And then we have spinach salad with tomato, avocados and roasted pine nuts.
That sausage really needs to be with a curry, but I didn't know what it was till I started cooking it.
Sophie, what are you doing down there, Soph? What are you doing down there, Sophie? Oh, Billy's come. What do you want, Bill? What are you doing down there, Sophie? What do you want, Bill Bob? What do you want, Billy? What you doing there, you two? I think you should get out of the kitchen, don't you, while we're eating? Come on, let's go. Out of the kitchen. Go on. Come on, Soph. Off you go. Go on.